Hi, welcome again, and this is Realme, and today we're going to unlock the FRP lock. You know the latest security have some issue to bypass the FRP lock, but no worry what the model you have, what the Android version installed on this device, all the Realme device, MTK or Qualcomm, same way to you can unlock. So we don't need to flash, so no need to download the firmware. We simply just one click and FRP is gone. FRP or screen lock will be removed this method. So we're just checking that our phone have FRP lock, and then we are going to the next process about how to unlock this device. Okay, so there is asking your screen lock. So if you don't know that, then you can't go the next step. So if you back from here, then it asking your Google account lock. Yeah, this is. So now we are going to unlock this device without any hassle, just a simple click. So now we directly go to our computer and open a browser. So this is GAProLogin tool. So this is the tool what we use to unlock this Realme device. You have to ensure the server is online, so there is showing server is online, and then you have to download the one click tool, which is the second option. You have to download this tool. This is for one click FRP unlock. So I already download it. Now I just simply open, and yeah, so this is the interface, very simple. You have to put the OTP to do the work. So now how you get OTP? To get OTP, you have to visit my website nunlocker.com, and then you have to create a account first and then log in. So I am logging my account, and then yeah, so you can see the same interface, and then place an order, server service. Now you just search box GAProLogin tool, and there you can see the Realme OTP system. Now you put one, because we need one OTP for one unlock. Okay, and then it takes 1 to 2 minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then you will see a OTP. So I just click the view order, and it's in process, and after that you refresh again, and then it shows success, and you click the service name, and then you can see a OTP. So now just copy it and paste the OTP option, and now click the reset option. The only option is available. Now you have to connect your phone. So this is a MTK device. So I first power off, press volume up and the power button, then it's showing the pop-up to power off, and after power off you have to put the cable. You have to connect the cable with pressing volume up and down button together, and then connect cable. So I am pressing volume up and the down button and connect. Cable connected. So if the driver is installed on your PC, then it's detect on the tool and start resetting FRP and screen lock. It's take very few seconds, and the work will be smooth. I think if your internet speed is good, then the work will be very faster. So wait a moment, it's a start unlocking process, and all done. After that your phone automatically open, and uh, it takes some time to uh, open, but I skip the part and directly come to the setup page. So I just remove the cable, make some adjustment. Okay, so now just simply next. So I think you understand how I do the work. The process is very simple, but still if you have any question or if you get any trouble, feel free message me on my WhatsApp. I help you to unlock your device. So our device is completely unlocked and we are on the menu. So thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care.